and Ethan the Fun Kids. And Ollie likes the Good and Gross Challenge. A Gross Challenge on our channel. Now me and Ollie are gonna do a Good and Gross challenge with Easter eggs. Let's do it! Let's do this. Are you ready to do the Good and Gross Easter egg hunt?
Let's
do it!
Come on, kids!
Go!
Ollie, come on!
Go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ollie, can you count it backwards?
Yeah. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Awesome. High fives. High five each other. Are you guys ready to open them?
Yeah!
Okay.
Mom.
All right, Ollie, what you got? So, can you eat Play-Doh?
No.
Ew, so that's gross. And Ethan got chocolate. Can you eat chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want chocolate? Whoa.
What you got?
Onions.
Onions? That's garlic. Are you a vampire?
No.
Oh, I don't believe you.
Starburst.
What'd you get, Ollie?
Starburst.
Starburst. Can you eat garlic? Ethan, taste the garlic. Just lick it.
No.
Why? Because you're a vampire?
No, I'm not. I am.
All right, what we got?
Chocolate again.
Oh! Oatmeal?
Oatmeal.
Is that gross?
You silly mama.
Is that good or gross, Ollie?
Good. Good. It's good.
Actually, it's good. It really isn't gross, is it?
No, it's good for you, but it's not candy. So that makes it gross
Yes.
for this challenge. All right, two
Last
more.
one.
Look at this. What is this? What is this?
Ollie got Starburst.
What is
That's cotton balls with water and lotion.
this? Oh.
Can you eat that, Ethan?
No.
Let me see it. What does it feel like?
It feels watery.
Yummy, taste it.
Watch the Good and Gross Easter challenge coming to our channel soon. Watch the Good and Gross challenge for
Wait, look it.
Let's do this again.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay, say bye, kids.
Bye, kids! Can you guys put more stuff in it? Different stuff.
Was that fun?
Yeah, I like it. Here, remember, because check out our channel. It's Evan and Ethan, the Fun Kids. Bye. Bye.
Hey, thanks for cleaning up our gross challenge. You're such a big boy. Big helper.